Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you fix mobile signal issue on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can follow this simple method easily fix them. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone. Simply swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel menu and make sure to your signal is appear. However, if your phone is airplane mode is turned on, this will not be appear the signal. So turn it off airplane mode first. After it turn off, you can see the signal appear there, but this time it not work. Don't worry, you can follow the next method. Go to settings, then scroll down slowly, find the connection option, tap to open them. After that, here you can see various option. Go to sim manager and make sure to your sim is activate. Then go back to the previous page, then open mobile network. After that, scroll through the page and set the network mode. For example, my phone is 5G supported, so I am select 5G. If your phone not supported, you can select alternative method. Then tap on access point names option. Then click on the three dots button top right corner, choose reset to default, confirm it, and wait to complete the process. After it done, go back, open network operator. You can see select automatically is turned on. Simply tap on the toggle switch and wait to open the next option. Then you can see available network available there. Simply choose your preferred network. For my SIM card is this, so I am selected, and wait to complete the setup. After it done, go back to the main settings page, then scroll all the way to the very bottom, open software update, click on check for update or download and install button and wait to checking this option. If you found any update available there, simply follow the on-screen instruction and update your phone to the latest version. For example, my phone is already up to date. Now go back, then open general management. Here scroll down to the page, click on reset. Scroll down again, you can find the reset section. Under multiple options appear there. You can find the reset mobile network settings or similar name. Tap on it, then click on reset settings, verify to enter your phone password and automatically open the reset mobile next page. Click on confirm by reset button and automatically network settings is reset successfully. After it done, you can check your problem issue is fixed or not. If your problem is still, you can back your SIM card. For example, my SIM card is there, so you can simply back your SIM card, then re-enter the SIM card or replace the SIM card and check it. If your problem is also still, you can contact a service center or your network provider to fix the signal issue. That's it guys, you are done. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye everyone.